Hi, I'm Brad from Sonoma. Imagine how awesome it would be if you had a barista in your house every day making the best espresso and espresso-based drinks. With the JURA S8, you can actually have that. This machine makes it so easy to do espresso, ristretto, coffee, cafe latte, cappuccinos, and even hot tea. It's an intuitive, very beautiful machine, looks great on your countertop, and as I said, it's like having a barista in your home. Water is easily loaded with a removable water tank that comes right off the machine and can carry to the sink. It's got a bean hopper in the top here, which grinds your beans. You can even use your own pre-ground coffee. Now, let's try brewing a cappuccino and see how easy it is to use the machine at home. First thing I'll do is just grab a glass here, and I'm going to select cappuccino. I can also dial in all of the different settings from the temperature and the strength, as well as the volume of coffee and milk that's produced in the final beverage. This is set for 3 ounces. Let's make this just a little stronger. And now we are ready to brew a cappuccino. The grinder's grinding the beans, of course. It's all in one step. It's tamping the beans and getting the machine ready to brew. Just as easy as that. One button push, I have a perfectly prepared cappuccino. All right, next let's show you how to brew an espresso. Obviously I need a much shorter glass. We'll just hit the one touch button. And just like that, it's ready to enjoy. Next I'm gonna show you how easy it is to also make just a cup of coffee. Now I'm going to make a cup of tea. And to do that, I'm going to take off the milk adapter and instead just place the hot water adapter in its place. And here I will select the hot water for green tea function. And just like that, it's ready. The last thing I'd like to show you is just a quick cleaning cycle for the milk system. Super easy to get your machine in tip-top shape and ready for the next round of brewing. For all your coffee and espresso needs and to learn more about the JURA S8, please visit williamsonoma.com.